The MTDA Clearinghouse is basically an online catalog, but the best part is all the content within those courses was already created by MTDA. So what's cool about that is you take these courses that are already put together and then you add your own teacher.
It's kind of a blended concept where you are using the classroom and the traditional teacher, but for whatever reason, maybe resources aren't available. Maybe they're doing, in my case, multiple classes at the same time. So we use the MTDA format as sort of a backbone to assist in the process. And it's a good kind of a compromise between a complete online program and a traditional in-person classroom.
Our teacher does a great job in getting us the information, and MTDA is great too.
We are a small rural school in Montana, and so we have utilized the MTDA Clearinghouse to offer other electives to students, as well as core classes.
And it's been a really good process, and it allows some kids to complete who maybe wouldn't take a chemistry class, but to complete their third year of science. At the same time, kids that want to go into that maybe college route, including chemistry, it gives them the opportunity for us to provide chemistry as well.
I think that it's very good for people who are going to college because it reminds me a lot of our college classes that we've taken, and it's just overall a very professional atmosphere.
Well, I've always liked sciences, biology, things like that. That's always kind of been what I succeeded in, is more kind of the science courses and things like that. Like earlier this year, we got to choose what experiments we did, and we did like some carbon-based experiments, things like that. That was a lot of fun, giving our own, like we were able to be creative with it.
For us as a Class C school, Class C schools come with a lot of wonderful opportunities, but Class C schools also come with some challenges, and one of those is limitations of what we can offer.
The Clearinghouse program that we're using is called Google Workspace. It helps kids go through Google Docs and Google Slides and Google Sheets, and it helps them with learning how to type things such as book reports and typing.com. It shows them all the keys that they have to type. It has made it so that the kids can actually type the book reports that the teachers are having them do in their English classes and their history classes, and they know how to format things a lot easier. They know how to start letters and end them, and how to formally write things such as resume letters or cover letters that they have had to use this year as well.
The aspects of the blended learning that students most find motivating is having their own teacher in the classroom. We've had a lot of experience with MTDA and online platforms, and we get good reviews from our students about those courses. However, when they could have the content of an MTDA course with their teacher that they know, trust, and have already built relationships with, that was by far the most motivating piece of it for our students. We've learned so much.